With the latest projected path, the Florida Keys looks like they could be the first on the Florida peninsula to feel the worst of Irma's wrath.
So people there aren't taking any chances at all tonight, from their homes to their boats. Local 10 News reporter Terrell Forney live now in Islamorada to show us the preparations that are already underway. Terrell.
Well, the entire Florida Keys now in this 5-day forecast cone. We could experience here in the Keys the first tropical storm force winds as soon as Friday. We spoke with tourists today. We also spoke with a number of residents and just people who have property here in the Keys. And as you mentioned, they are taking no chances. We saw them packing up and preparing for the worst.
There's plenty of work to do.
The work of tying down boats, securing loose items, and even boarding up windows on those vessels has been underway all day and night across the Keys.
A lot of glass around, you know, a lot of stuff flies around, so that's what we want to do, get everybody so nobody else gets hurt with anybody else's stuff.
Hurricane Irma's threat is all too real for these folks who call Islamorada home. Their entire livelihood is on a houseboat.
And you're surrounded by water, and the buildup of intensity on these storms is so much to be had, and it's better to be prepared, you know, and not be prepared and kind of caught with your pants down.
Hopefully we don't have another Texas down here, because we're still looking at where they're going through, which is awful. Yeah. So
that's a big fear with a strong storm like this.
Yeah, because of the surge is what we're afraid of.
Keys residents have been watching the latest weather updates by the hour, and so far, what they're seeing makes them a bit uncomfortable. The path for now has set its eyes on the Keys and beyond.
We've been inundated with locals and people who have been here on vacation and pulling their boats out.
Monroe County emergency managers are also keeping a close eye out and even considering a mandatory evacuation order to warn people to get out of the Keys because of the storm's intensity.
Yeah, we're absolutely thinking about it right now. If it stays on the track that it's on right now and it stays the timing that it stays right now, we'll probably be evacuating midweek.
A serious situation that no one we spoke with tonight is taking lightly.
A little nervous, but down here in the Keys, we hope for the best.
Where will you ride out the storm?
I'm actually going to go to my friend's restaurant down the street.
Or what's going to work best, who knows? You just do what you can and hope for the best. Make sure the insurance is paid.
So people are coming up with a plan on how to deal with this very strong storm. And I have to say that it is the intensity of Irma that is really raising eyebrows here across the Florida Keys. And as a result, the Emergency Operations Center here in Monroe County will be open and active as of noon tomorrow. Calvin, Lori.
And Terrell, you talked about the intensity of the storm. Now, if it stays at a Category 3 or higher, there is an order in which residents and tourists are evacuated from Monroe County, correct?
That is correct, because opening up a shelter here in Monroe County is just not safe if a storm comes in at a Category 3 or higher. So if this path for Hurricane Irma continues on its projected course, it is likely that emergency managers here in Monroe County will order a mandatory evacuation, and they will do that in phases. They will first order tourists out, and then likely the very next day, later in the week, they will say the residents have to evacuate, usually to a shelter in Miami-Dade County, but those details will trickle out as the days progress.
And Terrell, I mean, boats really are just such a huge concern. I mean, if this is really the forecast track, I mean, storm surge would be a huge concern. What are people beginning to do with their boats or think about?
We caught up with a lot of people who are taking their small boats out of the water and storing them on dry ground in a protected area. But the bigger boats, obviously, they can't do that. So they are trying to tie down those vessels as best that they can, take off a lot of those projectiles that are normally found on boats. We haven't encountered anybody who plans on riding out the storm in the boat. Most emergency managers would obviously frown upon that. In fact, the lady that we profiled in our story says that she will actually go to a nearby sturdy structure in a restaurant to ride out the storm. So a lot of people are just worried about their properties, especially these big expensive boats that are out on the water. We'll have to see what Irma actually does.
Monroe County on high alert tonight because of Irma. Terrell Forney live there in Islamorada. Thanks a lot, Terrell.